When's the last time you didn't have everything planned in your life? When's the last time you walked on faith? When's the last time life was falling apart and you didn't know what was going to happen? And the only thing that you knew that was certain was that you needed change. When was the last time that you jumped and you really trusted in something outside of yourself? Most of you people don't trust in yourself. How can you trust in yourself? How can you trust in God? How can you say you trust in the Most High if you don't ever take a leap of faith when everything isn't perfect? Most of you guys are waiting for something that is perfect. You're waiting for the right amount of money to be in your bank account. You're waiting for the right partner to be there with you. You're waiting for the right family member to support you. Most of you guys are waiting for a perfect time. A perfect time doesn't exist. There's no such thing as a perfect time. There's no such thing as everything is exactly as you need it to be for you to trust in the Most High. That's why you don't create the life of your dreams, because you're waiting to be in control. And this world, this life is not in your control. You guys don't get that? Have you ever sat still and asked yourself, how was you born? How is it that you got picked? You was born. You never asked yourself that? There's no you in that picture. It's out of your control. You're waiting for the perfect time to take the step you know you need to take. Your conscience speaks loud to you each and every single day. Most people, once they get to an elevated state of being where they're feeling joy, gratitude, still, peace, enlightened, they hear that conscience speak to them and say, do this, take this step, follow this path. Yet your limited belief system, your inability to surrender to the universe and trust in the divine plan for your life is why you don't have what it is that your soul needs. Guys, this entire life is a sacrifice. This entire life is a sacrifice to the people that you look up to, the people that you admire. They sacrificed their lives to become the person that they became. What are you sacrificing? Your old life is going to cost you so you can get your new life. Your new life will cost you your old life. There's no ands or ifs or buts. When's the last time you really asked yourself? You're probably waking up doing the same thing, seeing the same people, doing the same habits, eating the same food, scrolling and seeing the same people on your social media. You're probably doing the same thing over and over and over. And every single day that you wake up, your heart speaks to you. It says that you're meant for more. You're meant to help people. You're meant to start a business. You're meant to help your mother get out of her situation. You're meant for more. Don't you get that? That's why you're watching this video. That's why you look up to people like me. Because I'm telling you that you're meant for more. And you're not listening to your intuition. Most people do not know how to listen to their intuition. You are on YouTube watching everybody who is not designed like you. I am not designed like you. These people that you look up to, they are not designed like you. You are designed like you. You are unique. You are different. You are special. You need to stop listening to everybody around you, and you need to sit still. Face your fears. It's only when you face your fears. Fear is a low vibration, bro. Look at the emotional vibration chart. Fear is at the bottom. So if you feel all of these fears, you need to ask yourself, how can you get from fear to joy? How can you get from fear to peace? How can you get from fear to confidence? When you get to the higher state of consciousness, intuition speaks loud. And most of you guys don't do that. You're looking for some magic pill. Go work out, man. Go for a walk. Do something that's going to get you from fear to just going with the flow. Once you do that, you go from being fear to movement. And movement is going to create energy. And energy is going to create flow state. Boom. Intuition speaks loud to you. God starts speaking to you. You don't need me. You don't need people to tell you to jump. You know what you need to do. Trust yourself. You don't understand that you had a grandfather. Your grandfather had a grandfather. Your great-great-grandfather had another. Yo, The only people that you owe anything to is your ancestors. You owe your ancestors your best and greatest self. You don't owe your friends shit. You don't owe nobody nothing but your ancestors, bro. You were chosen. And you know you're chosen. And you're looking for the answers. That's why you're watching this video. You need to learn how to spend time by yourself. When you learn to sit still and meditate and pray and get in the flow state and work out and do the things you have to do to personally develop yourself, the answers will come. The problem is you are too attached to something that you're creating in your mind, and that's something that you are creating in your mind. If it's not coming from an elevated state of being, if it's not coming from when you are still, if it's not coming from a place of joy, love, and gratitude, if you cannot see yourself sacrificing your life for someone else in that whatever story you are creating, that is not your purpose. That is not what God wants for you. I'm sorry. You might want to be a rapper, but God don't want you to be a rapper. Because God sees you end up blowing up to be a rapper. Next thing you know, you're shot. You might want to be some artist. God don't want you to be an artist, bro. It's not about what you want. Don't you understand that, bro? Look at your life. Look at the things that naturally come to you. Look at your natural born gifts. What do you naturally do? What comes easier to you and harder to others? That's your gift. I'm speaking because speaking is my gift, bro. I don't want to sit here and talk to you guys, but it's not about me. Someone might need to hear this. It's not about you. It's about what is your gift? How do you help change lives with your gift? Listen to your intuition, guys. I love you. I wanted love my whole life. I prayed to be rich my whole life. I have journals stacked up on top of each other, and every page you will read, I told God, give me riches or give me death. And you want to know what he did? He took everything away from me. He took everything away from me. He took my closest loved ones away from me. He isolated me. He took my brother away from me. I saw my brother in a coma 3 months. Imagine seeing your best friend, your blood, go from having so much life and hope in him and he can't even speak. You want to know what that would do to your soul? Nothing will even matter. Some of you guys need to hit rock bottom. Some of you guys need to actually be faced with extreme adversity for you to really wake up. None of this stuff matters. If you are not walking in your purpose, you are wasting your breath. Start listening to your intuition. You can't fight it, bro. You can't fight it. I love you guys. 2023 is going to be an amazing year. And I'm saying 2023 because we still have 30 days left. Sit still. Ask yourself, what is your purpose? What is your passion? Follow the laws of the universe. Listen to your intuition. Someone is always guiding you. I love you.